So now let's see how we can star documents inside of Adobe Acrobat Reader. So here you can see that I'm in the home section of Adobe Acrobat Reader, and I have some files right here. So if I want to, let's say, for example, access this file, the recent file, let's say, for example, time and again, then I can simply go over here and press the star icon right here. So once I do that on the starred list, you can see that the document actually pops up. So I can click on star right here, and that gets added over there as well. And let's say I want to add in this and this. So this file is not there anymore, and that is why it is showing this error, because I deleted that file. But if I were to go over here and star this, you can see that it pops up right here. So if I were to go to starred section, you can see that these starred documents all appear right here. So I can just double click this out, and you can see that that is there. I can close this around as well, and I can double click on this one, and you can see that I can open out that document as well. So it is loading out that file, and this is the starred file. So now let us do this. So now let us go to open right here and go on to YouTube Drive, and let's say I have a PDF file. So I'm just going to press PDF, and over here I'm going to select this, and let's say I'm going to go for a book1.pdf right here. Once I do that, you can see that the PDF file has opened up. And if I were to go over here onto the top left, you can see star icon is here as well. And if I were to click on this, that has been starred out. So I can go to home, and you can see that book 1 is there in the starred list as well. And that is how you can star files. So you can unstar it by clicking on the star, and you can see that the star is removed out. The star document are removed from the list. So you can go back over here, star it out, and then you can see that it comes back up there. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.